But that is not enough, because fundamentally it's a behavior change and information both to the patient community and to the doctors who are using it unwittingly from one patient to another. The other aspect of that issue is the fact that I developed a little video clip which shows how the device works. It eliminates the need for face-to-face training.
For long-term gain that will improve the quality of life, improve outcomes, and actually ultimately reduce the cost of the spend of the disease in itself.
One more comment.
Excuse me, just one more comment, and my so just one more comment is that, you know, my request to, you said what is the request to the hospitals? My request to the hospitals is, I think there is a mind shift required, change in all of us Indians, including me, that we look at very short-term unit transactional costs. And IT requires a little long-term view, and we need to invest upfront to get the benefits, and there will be benefits. So I think that is something to be kept in mind, that look at the overall solutions cost and then invest appropriately. And second thing is, I think you've mentioned that before, the benefits of data is only when everybody pulls in the data collectively at a national level. Unless we do that, I don't think we can benefit. So that is something.
I think those were beautiful comments.
Ma'am, I'm Major Rajnikant Tiwari, a serving officer in Army Medical Corps. You remember, ma'am, I was discussing with you yesterday.
Approximately 64 speakers in the IT conference and about 56 speakers in the patient safety conference. We've had many speakers come and be with us and share their thoughts. We need to have the cost incentive. So ladies and gentlemen, University, to honor the speakers, please welcome onto the stage Dr. Pratap C. Reddy, the person who dreamt, but besides dream, he knew how to make things a reality. Let's give him a big hand.
So wonderful. You've just come in to take the chair, and I think we made a difference in it.
We will be announcing our speakers one by one. Please do come up and be honored on behalf of the entire audience. This is our way of saying thank you for sharing your knowledge.
Please come next. Rajneesh. Next one, please come first. There are only 20 shots, so
Shankara Sharma.
only 20 shots. Mr. Shankara. And in this group, last but certainly not the least, Mrs. Tracy. Can I call Mr. Frank Clevens, please, in the audience? Frank? Saroj Mishra? Professor Portera, Professor Malcolm Portera. Frank Clevens is the Secretary Treasurer of the International Society for Telemedicine and E-Health and a great friend of Indian telemedicine. Thank you, Frank, for coming all the way. Saroj Mishra can truly be called one of the pioneers of telemedicine in India. He is the Director of the National Institute of Telemedicine and Informatics, Professor of Endocrine Surgery at SGPGI. Sridharan Mani, please come. He is the Health Secretary of Punjab. Hardeep Singh from the United States.